Martyrs Memorial, which is a memorial to Hugh Latimer, Nicholas Ridley, and Thomas Cranmer. And these were three Protestant bishops who were burnt to death in the 1500s in Oxford, actually just over there. It was built in the Victorian era in response to something called the Oxford Movement, which involved John Keble of Keble College fame. And because it is so impressive, there is a somewhat of an urban legend, maybe it's true, that Oxford students would tell unwary tourists that it is actually the spire of an underground church, which you could enter just over there through these steps, which actually lead to a toilet, or they did lead to a toilet. Very recently, it was actually turned into a hotel, very small hotel. So this is an interesting piece of Oxford history and kind of reflects that actually Oxford at one point in time was a very sort of bloody and brutal place, especially when you look into the history of the different student nations, where there was a period of time where all the Welsh students were thrown out of the town